Lesson 8, Session 2. We are dividing using the standard algorithm. Number 1. The cook in the example needs 11,160 eggs during a holiday week. How many boxes of eggs should the cook order for the holiday week? So we notice we only have one number here. That's because we need to look back at our example. The cook in the example needs 11,160 eggs. And it says, 1 week the cook needs to place an order for blah, blah, blah. The eggs come to the restaurant in boxes of 180 eggs each. So this is important. We know they come in boxes of 180 eggs each because it asks how many boxes of eggs they should order. We know we're going to take our number of eggs and divide it by 180 boxes. I know 180 cannot go into 1, it cannot go into 11, it cannot go into 111, but it can go into 1,116 6 times. That's equal to 1,080. There's 36 left over. Now if I bring down my 0, 180 goes into 36 2 times exactly. So I know that he needs to order 62 boxes of eggs. Number 2. Layton's mom buys a car using a loan. She repays the loan by paying $22,032 in 48 equal monthly payments. Keyword, we're putting something into equal groups. How much is each payment? So I'm going to take my $22,032 and I'm going to divide that into 48 equal groups. I know 48 cannot go into 2, it cannot go into 22, but it can go into 220 4 times, which is 192. We would have 28 left over. I'm going to bring down my 3. 48 can go into 283 5 times, which is 240. I have 43 left. Bring down my last 2. 48 goes into 432 exactly 9 times. So I know each payment is $459. Number 3, find the quotient of 40,936 divided by 34. So I know that 34 cannot go into 4. It can go into 40 1 time. So I would have 6 left over. Bring down my 9. 34 goes into 69 twice. 1 left over. Bring down my 3. 34 cannot go into 13, so before I can bring down my next number, I have to show that 34 did not go into 13. Now I can bring my next number down. 34 can go into 136 exactly 4 times. So we know that the answer is 1,204. Number 4, Francisca incorrectly divides. Describe her mistake. The easiest way I think to do this is just to do it yourself and then see where they messed up. So I know that 18 cannot go into 3. It can go into 31 1 time. 31 minus 18 would be 13 left. I'm going to bring down my 1. 18 can go into 131 7 times, which is 126. There would be 5 left over. I'm going to bring down my 0. Now I can already see because I'm continuing to check what Francisca did. So everything's the same until this point. She has 54. I have 50 because I brought down my 0. Francisca forgot to bring down her 0. So right here, she kind of skipped that step. She should have brought down a 0 and said, how many times can 18 go into 50? And we would know that 3 times is too big, so it would obviously be only twice. 2 times 18 is 36, and we could continue from there. So she forgot to bring down her 0.